We have used Govee products for a long time in many of our setups and still do, but today we will be adding even more. We are going to be upgrading not one, but several of our setups with more Govee lights. Specifically, the Govee Hexa lights, Govee AI Syncbox Kit 2, and Govee Pixel Light. Thank you to Govee for sending us these products and sponsoring today's video. Let's start with the Hexa lights, or the Glide Hexagon Light Panels Ultra, as is the full name. We got a pretty big kit of these, and we'll be using one of the pre-made designs that fit the amount of lights that we got. We like it because it kind of looks like a Space Invader ship and will take up a good amount of wall space above our setup without looking too bulky. We will be using our secret gaming setup for this upgrade, which is located behind a hidden bookshelf door in our basement. We have recently added more lights by the poker table in here, so now it's finally time for the actual desk to get some love too, thanks to these Govee Hexa lights. The lights are 3D light panels, which adds a really nice detail to both the light panels and your setup as a whole. They have multifaceted ultra lighting, which means there's 129 LED beads with triple the lighting power. As we mentioned, you can arrange these in any way you want really, or choose from some of the suggested designs. We think that the lights make this hidden gaming PC setup a lot brighter and more interesting, and definitely makes us want to both use it and show it off more. What do you guys think? Do you like the shape that we did, or would you have done it differently? Please let us know in the comments below. Next up, we have the Syncbox Kit 2. Which we will be installing in Cam's PC setup in the office, which is just upstairs from the basement. This is one of the least used setups, so we are doing an upgrade here to incentivize us to use and show it off more. The Syncbox Kit 2 comes with a light strip and gaming light bars, both connected to an HDMI box. The box supports HDMI 2.1 for great data transmissions up to 8K at 60Hz or 4K at 144Hz for that smooth gaming experience we all want. Using an HDMI box instead of just using the lights on their own also means that they're very easy to sync, especially syncing to what's happening on your screen. Basically extending whatever is happening in the game on your screen out to your room. This makes for some very pretty setup pictures and also makes gaming or watching movies a lot more immersive. The LED lights uses 4-in-1 RGB WIC lighting, which means there's a mix of 4 colors to ensure you get pure white light as well as accurate color blends when using effects. The strip light is also upgraded with high density lights thanks to the 75 LEDs and also features 450 lumens, which is very bright. We really love how it transforms our office PC setup to include more RGB, especially to match what is shown on the monitor. What do you guys think? Okay, last product of the video. This is a Pixel Light, but the Pac-Man edition, and we really like all the Pac-Man details on the box. It's 52 by 32 inches in size, and it's a great addition to any desk. It has a very rich pixel art screen with clear and dynamic display. You can create your own Pixel Light design or select from pre-made ones, like the Pac-Man one we have here. The Pac-Man edition also comes with a cardboard box that makes it look like a little arcade machine, which is very cute. However, you have to cut out and build it yourself, so keep that in mind. That is all the products that we use to upgrade our gaming setups all over the house. We really like what each product added, but I think our favorite is probably the Hexa lights, as they really brought out a lot of life in the hidden setup. Thank you again to Govee for sponsoring this video and sending us all of these products and helping us improve our gaming setups. More info in the description below. Thanks to all of you guys for watching the video all the way to the end as well. It does help a lot. Let us know in the comments which product you would use to upgrade your setup and your thoughts of how we use them in ours. We also post daily short form videos to YouTube, as well as to Instagram and TikTok at CamXPetra, so if you're craving more content, that's the perfect place to start. We will of course also have plenty more long form tech and setup videos for you guys very soon. See you there!